Okay, what's going on guys? I am the Wizard Nimbus. Welcome to the first video of my introductory AWS course. Today we're going to be looking at S3. S3 is one of AWS's core services. It's a resilient block storage service. Block storage is a little bit different than your typical file storage, but it behaves somewhat similarly. In today's video we're going to look at how to create an S3 bucket, upload objects to the bucket, how to view and move objects in between buckets, how to delete objects, and then finally how to delete entire buckets. Of course, to begin with, you're going to need an AWS account to do anything. AWS accounts are free, and in a future video I may go over how to create an AWS account. For right now, I'm just going to assume you have one, and we're going to start from the management console. So I'm going to select Services, down to Storage, S3, and that brings up the dashboard for S3. So create a bucket, as you would expect. I'm going to click Create Bucket. Now we need to name the bucket, and the name of the bucket needs to be unique not only to your own AWS account, but across all AWS accounts. So you'll see if I try and type in the name of the bucket I already created, get a nice little error message there. So I need to type in something unique, WizNim bucket. Alright, so you select that one, and then from there, you can select the region you'd like your bucket to be in, preferably something close by you. For now, I'm just going to leave it by the US East region. Select Next. I'm going to keep everything default here for now. Next, and create bucket. Now you can see in my list of buckets, there's a new one that I created, WizNim bucket. So I'm going to click on the bucket, and as you can see, it's completely empty. To upload an object to the bucket, I'm going to click Upload, Add Files, and I'm just going to use this image here that I have on my desktop. Open, next, leave everything at default here for now, next, default again, next, and upload. And now you can see in my bucket I have this object that I have uploaded. So now I'm going to click on it, select open, and you can see the little image that I uploaded. Exit out of there, go back to my bucket, and I will demonstrate how to move objects in between buckets. So it's pretty simple, just click on the little checkbox here, drop down the actions menu, and you can see we have our ordinary copy and paste, or if you like cut and paste. For now I'm just going to copy, go back to the S3 dashboard, select this other bucket that I created, select the actions menu again, and go down to paste, and paste. And so now you see the object that I uploaded to the other bucket is now in this bucket. Now for deleting objects, I'm going to go back to the original bucket that I made, select this little checkbox again, drop down the actions menu again, and go down to delete. So from here it gives me this nice little prompt. Select delete, and that's all there is to that. Now to delete an entire bucket, back out to the S3 console, select the box, and delete. Now as an added little security feature, you're going to need to type in the name of the bucket that you want to delete, WizNim bucket, and confirm that I want to delete it, and I do. And there you can see it's gone. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, we learned how to create an S3 bucket, upload objects to the bucket, view and move objects around between buckets, delete objects, and delete buckets. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to go over how to create a static website from a newly created S3 bucket.